New Zealand's native plants. Let's take a look. This here is Coprosma arborea. Its common name is tree Coprosma, which, because, it does form some pretty big trees. I don't know if it's the biggest Coprosma plant in New Zealand, but it is definitely among the biggest. Its te reo name is mamangi. Now, it is a pretty distinct species, so it's easy to ID based on this leaf shape. This shape here is what we call spathulate, which essentially means it's kind of a spatula-shaped leaf, and you can see that the lamina, which is kind of the green sheet of the leaf, kind of extends down the leaf stalk, or petiole, there. So it's kind of a winged leaf stalk, all the way down to the base. And that's typically a really good way to ID this species. On the underside of the leaf, it's typically kind of a darker pinkish brown or bronze colour, and that's also a really important diagnostic feature, especially when you're looking at a seedling like this down here. So we've got a little seedling here. When they're this small, they can be mistaken for Coprosma spathulata, which again also has that spatulate shaped leaf to it. But the key difference here is that mamangi, or Coprosma arborea, has bronzing or bronzed colours on the underside of the leaf there. It is a little bit more subtle on that seedling, but Coprosma spathulata, on the other hand, does not have any kind of distinct pinkish or bronze colours on the underside. And typically the winged petiole at the base of the leaf is a lot darker on Coprosma spathulata as well. So that's an important thing to keep in mind when you are looking at seedlings. Once it's a tree, the leaves get quite a bit bigger, much bigger than Coprosma spathulata leaves. So it's a lot easier to ID, especially because Coprosma spathulata does not form ginormous trees and remains as a shrub. Well, there you have it. Now you know about one more of